we tell una say welcome again for the newspaper review for Pidgin with the big bow for Hala Yamata. Their first newspaper for today would talk now about Guardian Post. The Guardian Post talks about it. Say, hey, Dr. Christopher tears Bia's regime into shreds. That means everything. He take and so no, he use small razor blade, he cut him. That one an exclusive interview. I want to say me all wanna go buy the Guardian Post. Me wanna yet way Dr. Christopher a talk for them. Still for the Guardian Post, it is shown as say government don't budget over 145 billion for Babuaju Ring Road. Nothing that way them talk. So wanna go read other one for the Guardian Post. No, we'll go for the next one. The next one for today, now The Voice. The Voice talks about it. Say cloggy show in making. Say regional countdown. A cloggy show in the making. Now where they talk say the Palava regional election. So whoa. They say Cameroon novelist win prestigious French literary award. I be talk that thing on for that one mami. That one mami we very, very prestigious mami. Then they say Donald Trump to talk something. Say last kick of a dying horse. I go meet una for next election for 2024. When una go for The Voice newspaper, una go read them. Then they say George Owona Hercules force off with Anglophone highbrows. It means everything. Una go read them for The Voice. The next newspaper, I find them first because the newspaper they overfed plenty. The newspaper now, now still the Guardian Post again. The Guardian Post talks about it. Say battle for Kumba City top job for far from over. Hey. When I go read them again now for Guardian Post. They talk against it. Say Biya offer campaign funds to traditional rulers. I need to understand why me will not ask plenty questions. They say Bar Council to sanction lawyers opposing nationwide strike. When I know say, I don't talk this thing, they know the year. Say the palava lawyer, then when they strike, so when I look into the situation, wobo, they need to talk no nothing. Oh, when I remember now, them start this thing. Oh, I don't talk my own. They say FECOM funds Man Council edifice injunction. One injunction on in graduation or in graduated. Say FECOM don't be new whatsoever. When I go read them other one for the Guardian Post, my own thing way a day for them I say battle for Kumba City Council far from over. Where una go read that one na helele. The second and next one na The Post. The Post newspaper say government The Post newspaper abeg. Thank you. Say government is powerless in award of certain contracts. Say time where government want give some contract them for this and that, it no get power. They say na minister they talk that one no. Abeg, una go read them for them because the time when myself I finish read them, I no go talk. Any man go find a own copy, he read them for them. 320,000 children, adolescents infected with HIV in 2019. Una dey see this thing? Now picking them that 320,000. 320,000 young Cameroonians infected with HIV. The thing, the only climb, it no dey reduce. Una dey for they know we can live with the virus. You can live with the virus. Una dey make and people know they take caution anymore. The number, the only climb, I no be young man again. It concern me. It concern na young people. But una go read them all for the post. They say lawyers nationwide strike action robs the needs of freedom. Hey. Detainees of freedom. Una dey see am. Any man way na lawyer now way if he get for go defending for court in case cancel, it still remain for play where it dey. I don't tell una, me una solve the palaver for lawyer demo. Una solve am. Some man they say it shall end in tears. Oh, make we go for the next one. Oh, now all the one that way the day for today. No, we get the median. The median talks 70. Hey, Paul Atanganji pacifies ground north population. Pacifies means 70. That means he go bring peace for that place. Say it decides, say, make peace day. Say, may they know the overquery. Because they don't go for, they go bring a little bit of order. Tell the people, they say, I no one hear him. Man, where he hear him, when I no play where he go, all man fear. They should don't for their this and that. But anyhow, when I go read them all for the media. The same Manu caravan enters Manfe in triumph. When I go look other one for the media. Say Biya spoils traditional rulers with raw cash. They want now where traditional rulers and now they go for the regional election. So I beg una go read other one for the media. Now we go for the Horizon newspaper. The Horizon newspaper talks 70. Biya don't boost chief their campaign at last. Where it show say grand chef don't repay them bags of money. For tell them say una go follow the campaign fine, make any man campaign win. Ho would they so for their back? With the tank una plenty. Now all thing that way it be day for what newspaper review for today with the big fowl for Hala Yamata. With the come back with the announcement.